Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Apex Legend name. If you're trying to change your name on Apex Legend, then it's simple. First, make sure that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and type in your correct credentials along with your password and make sure that you are done. Make sure that you type in your credentials correct and sign into your Apex Legend account first. After you are done signing into your account, tap on your profile avatar located at the top left-hand corner. Soon after you do that, tap on the pencil icon at the top right and tap on change name. Now, enter the new name you'd like to change to in the text box. After you are done, tap accept. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your name for Apex Legend game. Now you'll be able to see your name change at the top left, right where your profile avatar is available. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.